In United States versus Washington, also known as the culverts case, we'll look at a fishing rights dispute between the state of Washington and numerous Indian tribes that has been ongoing for more than 100 years. In 1854 and 55, Indian tribes located in the Pacific Northwest entered into treaties with the federal government to relinquish large areas of the tribe's land in present-day Washington. In exchange for the tribe's land, the tribes were given a guaranteed right to fish off-reservation at, quote, all usual and accustomed grounds, unquote. During the treaty negotiations, the government told the tribes that the treaties would secure the tribe's rights to the fish forever. At the time the treaties were signed, and still to this day, the tribes relied on local salmon for subsistence, religious and cultural ceremonies, and commercial purposes. In 1970, the United States filed suit on behalf of the tribes against Washington to enforce the treaties. The district court divided the case into two phases. In Phase 1, the court held that the treaties protected the tribe's supply of fish and gave the tribes the right to harvest 50% of the harvestable fish in the treaty areas. Later, in Phase 2, the court held that the tribes had a right to a sufficient quantity of fish and a right to have fish habitats protected from man-made exploitation and environmental degradation. Subsequently, the Court of Appeals held that any issues regarding environmental concerns must be resolved in individual fact-specific cases. In 2001, the tribes, joined by the United States, sued Washington. The tribes claimed that the state violated its treaty obligation to not cause environmental degradation to fish habitats because the state constructed culverts under roads. Culverts are large pipes that allow water to flow under roads, but the pipes can interfere with salmon migration if the culverts get blocked. The tribes argued that the state's culverts greatly reduced the number of salmon in the area because the culverts blocked over 1,000 miles of streams. The district court granted summary judgment in favor of the tribe and ordered that the state fix and update the culverts to allow fish to pass through the pipes. Washington appealed.